So Joe, you had talked about kind of the difference between the contractor mindset, or the maintenance technician's mindset when they're on a contract basis with a customer, or kind of a maintenance agreement where it's a fixed price each month, versus a T&M time materials mindset. Can you talk a little bit about kind of the pros and cons of those and how that might be contributing to, essentially what Trevor was just talking about, which is, not solving the root cause of the problem?
Yeah, I mean, I've been doing this quite a while, and I've kind of seen the evolution of the service contract within retailers. And I think there's a mindset of it's all the way from the top. I mean, it's not the technician; it funnels down from the very beginning when they bid the contract. Of we're trying to keep costs down in order to fit within the envelope of what the contract amount is per month. So at that point right there, you're handcuffing a technician for the most part, because now, like what Trevor said, the technician's going to go in and go, oh, condenser's pretty dirty, I'm going to clean it, I'm good. Let's move out and move on to the next call, opposed to, digging into it more, checking, the condenser was dirty, but that's just what created the major problem. There's still an underlying problem. A dirty condenser shouldn't cause compressor to stop running. I mean, that should just be something you start running higher discharge, get some alarms on it. But if you have compressors tripping, or going off on oil because oil's thinned out, or going off on demand cooling, or overloads, or tripping breakers, it's not a dirty condenser, but technicians are kind of limited on what they can do with contract accounts. And it can be, there's pros and cons to them, but I think the biggest thing is they need to be set up to where the contractor can still get to the underlying problem, the root cause, because sometimes it's not just the first thing you find, and there's many layers to peel to get to that problem. So T&M, not as bad. I mean, you can usually get in there and dig around and find more, and ultimately, long-term prevent failures of compressors, because you have the time to go in and properly diagnose them.